Glasgow Council is appealing against a landmark ruling for foster carers' rights. Jimmy and Christine Johnson were awarded employee rights, including sick pay, holiday and a minimum wage in 2017, the first time a UK court ruled foster carers were entitled to employment rights. Maura Kinneborough reports.
Jimmy and Christine Johnston are specialist treatment foster carers. They won the right to be treated as employees after one placement left them in fear of their lives and the safety of the child they were looking after.
Destruction and vandalism and actual danger to all our lives.
When they sought help, they say they were rejected instead of supported.
It became unbearable. Young person was needing specific specialist help. We were needing specific support, extra support to help a young person. We get promised everything and we get nothing. We absolutely get nothing. The only other thing we could do was what we'd call whistleblow to another service or department. And once we'd done that, we were victimised and bullied.
A judge found in favour of the foster carers, but now Glasgow City Council is appealing against that landmark ruling in a tribunal sitting this week. It argues foster carers are paid for the service provided, but they are not employees. In a statement, Glasgow City Council said the decision applied to a specialist fostering service which was unable to secure the anticipated outcomes for young people and has since closed.
OK, so who's going to go first?
Me!
On you go then.
Foster carers look after some of Scotland's most vulnerable children. Their union says carers often raise concerns about being bullied and threatened by councils. If they had more rights, they say, the children would have more stability.
The big problem we've got as foster carers is that we have no employment rights or employment status. So if we are to go to our supervising social workers and explain that we're finding things difficult, then that can get written up in a report. It can be seen as us not coping, not able to carry out the job. And it's very easy for foster carers to be deregistered. We don't have the protections that you would have with workers' rights.
The appeal outcome is due in writing later in a case which could have implications for foster carers across the UK. Maura Kinneborough reporting Scotland, Edinburgh.